Well, I would like you to meet this young man by name Heneba Kwadjo Safo. He is the grandson of Ghana's legendary inventor, Apostle Dr. Kwadwo Safo Kantanka. Despite coming from one of Ghana's richest and most respectful family in Ghana, he chose humility over luxury. He created the Bar Store Boys 2 years ago. All they do is to clean gutters and streets in Ghana. His story is a lesson in patriotism, leadership, and selflessness. Watch as we celebrate this young Ghanaian hero who has inspired presidents, dignitaries, and millions across the world. What are other youth doing for Ghana? In a world where many young people chase fame and luxury, one young man from Ghana chose a different path, the path of service, humility, and love for his country. This young man, Heneba Kwadjo Safo, grandson of the great apostle Dr. Kwadwo Safo Kantanka, the visionary behind Kantanka Automobiles, a man who made Ghana proud by building cars right here on African soil. Because of his humility and sacrifice, Heneba Kwadjo Safo has been recognized by presidents, dignitaries, and countless Ghanaians home and abroad. He reminds us that greatness is not in title, but in service to humanity. While many youth are chasing trends online, Heneba Kwadjo Safo is chasing change. While others complain, he is out there doing the work. So we ask today, what are you doing for Ghana? Are you waiting for someone else to fix it? Or will you take the broom, the shovel, the idea, and make a difference, no matter how small? To Heneba Kwadjo Safo and the entire Bar Store Boys team, we say thank you. You have shown us that patriotism is not about words, it's about action. You have reminded Ghana and all of Africa that our heroes can rise from anywhere, even from the gutters. Bar Store Boys, we salute you. Keep shining, keep cleaning, keep inspiring, because the new Ghana begins with you. We love you and stay focused. Take care. Bye-bye.